everybody, welcome back to another truly outrageous art lesson. I'm Neil.
I'm Juliet.
And today is a special magical video because we are going to be drawing a unicorn. But before we do that, a couple of things. Wanted to let everybody know, in case you don't know already, we're posting brand new videos to the channel here every Monday and Thursday. So be sure to go down below and click that subscribe button. And that way too, you'll be supporting us in reaching our April goal of 1,200 subscribers. And while you're there, might as well smash the like button. All right, let's get into drawing a unicorn. So for this drawing, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're going to need your handy drawing utensil. I'm using a marker. You can feel free to copy me and use a marker, but use whatever's most comfortable for you. And then this is going to be our color palette for when we get to the coloring step. And real important, if we're going too fast during this video, feel free to push that pause button or hit rewind. We want you to be as comfortable as possible and have lots of fun while we're drawing. Okay, let's get started. First step, you are going to start right here, get kind of close to the edge, and you're gonna draw a curved line that goes out like this, goes under like that, comes to right there. Okay, next step, we're gonna draw the front of the unicorn's face. So that's gonna curve down like this. It's gonna come in a little bit like that, and then it's gonna drop down like that. All right, next step, we're gonna draw the under part of the jaw and a little bit of the back. So that's gonna be just a kind of a shallow curved line like this, and then another curved line out like that. Next, we're gonna draw the unicorn smile. So we're gonna start here and we're gonna pull this line all the way up like that. And then we're gonna cap it off with a smile line. All right, next we're gonna draw the unicorn's eye. So we're gonna draw, it's just kind of a thin curve because the eye is closed because they're so happy. So we're gonna go like this, over and up like that. All right, next we're gonna draw the unicorn's nostril, and that's just gonna be a little line up, over, and down like that. So almost a square without the bottom. Next, we're gonna draw the unicorn's ear, and that's gonna start right about here. You're gonna curve a line over like this, and then curve a line under like that. And then on the inside, you're gonna put another line that sort of mirrors the lines we just did, like that. All right, next we're gonna draw probably the best part of the unicorn, and that's its horn. So that's real easy, it's just a line up like this, and then a line down like this. So it looks kind of like almost like a carrot sticking out of its head. All right, next we're gonna draw the back of the neck here. So we're gonna start by pulling off this line from the ear. We're gonna go down like this, and then we're gonna stop like that. All right, next we are going to draw the unicorn's hair. So this is gonna be some kind of wavy organic lines. We're gonna start here on the ear. We're gonna curve under, and then we're gonna go over like this into there. We're gonna carry that all the way over, and then we're gonna come up like that. Next, we're gonna draw the top of the hair here. So we're gonna pull off of this line, we're gonna come down, we're gonna go up, curve a line over like that to about there, and then we're gonna curve a line down like this, and then we're gonna curve a line in like that. Next, we're gonna draw the lower part of the hair here. So this, we're gonna pull a line off like this. It's gonna come down, and it's gonna curve up like that. And then we'll connect this part here, come in a little bit, connect it to that organic line we just drew. All right, next we're gonna draw the back of the horse and the rear of the horse, the rear end, if you will. So we'll start by going from here. We're gonna pull a line down a little bit. We'll come up, over, and all the way down like that. All right, next step, we're gonna draw the rest of the neck here and the front of the chest. So that's gonna come down like so. Keep pulling that line down like that, and then we are going to curve the line out this direction to right here. All right, next we are going to draw the front leg. So that's gonna start right here. We're gonna pull a line down like this, and then we are going to pull a straighter line down to there. Okay, next step, we're gonna draw the back side of the front leg. So that's gonna start about here. We're gonna curve that line in like that, and then we're gonna drag this line all the way down to the bottom like so, and then we'll just cap it with a little curved line to indicate that hoof. So Juliet actually jumped ahead and drew the leg on the other side of the unicorn. So we are going to start right about here, and we're just gonna pull a line down for now to right here, and then we'll cap it off on the bottom like that. All right, next we're gonna draw the back leg. So this starts right up here. We're gonna pull this down like so. Then we are going to, actually I'm gonna pull that down a little bit more. There we go, okay. And then we're gonna draw a diagonal line like so. And then we're going to bring it down to the bottom like so. Next, we're gonna draw the back side of the rear leg here. And so that starts right about here. We're gonna pull a line in like so. Then we're gonna pull another diagonal line down to about here. And then we will bring a straighter line down to the bottom. And like the front one, we're gonna cap it off. Next, we're gonna draw the rear leg on the other side. So we're gonna start right about here, and we'll pull that line down like this. We'll mirror that diagonal line over there like this, and then pull a straighter line down like that. And of course, cap it off on the bottom. Next step, as you can see here, we have no bottom part of the unicorn, so we are going to make one. All right, here we go. So we're gonna continue this line, we're gonna pull it down here. Then we are going to pretend like the line goes all the way through this leg here. So keep that going. It's gonna come up a little bit like this to kind of match over here. And then we're gonna pull this rear part in like that. And if you have spaces like this or over here, feel free to just bring that line and connect it to the body there. Last but not least, we're gonna add the unicorn's tail. So it's gonna start right here. We're gonna pull a curvy organic line that comes up like that. Then we'll draw the back side of the tail starting right here. We're gonna pick up that line like this. Gonna add a little bit of thickness to the tail here. Gonna keep that line going out and up like that. In our last step here, we're going to connect the two pieces together with some curved lines. So you're gonna start right here, curve a line down like this, and then you're gonna curve a line out like this, and color in that space, color. I can't speak right now, but make sure that that space gets connected to the other side of the tail. All right, there's your line work done for your unicorn. And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying dirt joke. Okay, what did the triangle say to the circle? You're pointless. All right, let's move on to our coloring step, and we'll do that as quickly as a unicorn gallops, starting now. All right, there you have it, your fully colored unicorn. Juliet, you want to tell them about yours?
Sure. So, yeah, his name's Leah, and then he's like ice cream, and sprinkles, obviously, and then Horn would be an ice cream cone, and his hair is cotton candy. So he lives in like this candy world, obviously. So he's standing on like a gigantic ice cream sandwich, and then the sun is an Oreo, and he likes Oreos.
Very cool. Mine's not that special. He's just Bob, the unicorn. I hope you guys had a lot of fun doing this drawing. I know Juliet and I did. Don't forget to go down below and subscribe to the channel. And remember, we're trying to reach 1,200 subscribers for the month of April. Don't forget to spread the word about Truly Artrageous and tell everybody you know how much fun you're having drawing on the channel here. And don't forget to have a great day wherever it is you are. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.